Today I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Google Sheets. This is a useful skill when you want to draw attention to specific data or organize your spreadsheet visually. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Google Workspace dashboard, where all your files and applications are accessible. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to highlight text. This will open your Google Sheets file in a new window, ready for you to start making changes. Now, before we dive into the highlighting process, there's something important you need to know. Unlike Google Docs, Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in tool specifically designed to highlight text within a cell the same way. However, there are two effective methods you can use to achieve a similar highlighting effect, and I'll walk you through both of them. Let's start with the first method. Click on the cell containing the text you want to highlight. Once you've selected the cell, look at the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll see a text color icon, which typically looks like an A with a colored line beneath it. Click on this icon and a color palette will appear. Choose the color you'd like to use for your text. This method changes the color of the text itself, which serves as a way to make it stand out and acts as a form of highlighting within your spreadsheet. Now let's move on to the second method, which is often more visually striking. Click on another cell that you want to highlight. This time, instead of using the text color icon, look for the fill color icon in the toolbar. This icon usually looks like a paint bucket. Click on it, and once again, a color palette will appear. Select the color you prefer. This action will insert a fill color behind the text in that cell, essentially giving you a background highlight similar to what you'd see in a word processor. This is a great way to make certain cells pop and draw immediate attention to important data. Both methods are simple and effective, depending on whether you want to emphasize the text itself or the entire cell. You can mix and match these techniques throughout your spreadsheet to create a clear, organized visual hierarchy. And that's it. You now know how to highlight text in Google Sheets using two different approaches. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.